Are you looking for vitamin C rich smoothie? Suffering from constipation problem? Wants to build your bones strong? Wants to boost your iron levels? Here is an interesting yummy recipe. Come, let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel AyurChikitsa. Today I am back with a new video. Here it is, I am going to make yummy tasty smoothie for the breakfast using dragon fruit, banana, chia seeds, almond milk, dates. So, if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Come, let's start the video. The required ingredients are half dragon fruit, 1 banana, half teaspoon of chia seeds, half cup of almond milk, 2 to 3 dates. Dragon fruit, it improves the immune system. It's rich in vitamin C. It's naturally fat-free and high fiber. Banana are rich in nutrients, packed full of antioxidants. This fruit helps to support your digestion and weight loss. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, full of fiber and minerals. Almond milk, it's an enriched with high in vitamin D, low in calories. Dates, it contains high in fiber, full of iron. It acts as a natural sweetener. Preparation: blend everything together. Finally serve in a glass. Use chia seeds, almond crushed powder, raspberries. Finally add maple syrup and enjoy. Guys, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let me know your feedback in comment section below. Have the notification bell on. Thanks for watching.